How to download and update the ExpressVPN app. To download and update the ExpressVPN app, follow these general steps. Keep in mind that the specific steps may vary slightly depending on the device or platform you are using. Download ExpressVPN, for Windows, 1. Visit the official ExpressVPN website. 2. Navigate to the Products section and select VPN for Windows. 3. Click on the Get ExpressVPN button. 4. Choose your subscription plan and complete the payment process. 5. Once payment is confirmed, download the Windows app. 6. Install the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions. For Mac, 1. Go to the official ExpressVPN website. 2. In the Products section, select VPN for Mac. 3. Click on Get ExpressVPN. 4. Choose your subscription plan and complete the payment process. 5. After payment, download the Mac app. 6. Install the app by following the provided instructions. For mobile devices, iOS/Android. 1. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. 2. Search for ExpressVPN in the store. 3. Download and install the ExpressVPN app. 4. Launch the app and log in with your ExpressVPN account. Update ExpressVPN, for Windows and Mac. 1. Open the ExpressVPN app on your device. 2. If an update is available, the app will usually prompt you to update. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the update. For mobile devices, iOS/Android. 1. Open the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. 2. Search for ExpressVPN and check for updates. 3. If an update is available, tap on the Update button. ExpressVPN typically provides automatic updates for its apps, but you can also check for updates manually if needed. Important note, always make sure to download the ExpressVPN app from the official website or App Store to ensure that you are getting the legitimate and latest version. Avoid downloading from third-party sources to prevent security risks. If you encounter any issues or have specific questions about the download or update process, you can refer to the ExpressVPN support resources or contact their customer support for assistance.